They turned to sun. Ow, ow, ow.
What happened?
I think he spilled some on him.
He's got a spark earlier. I stepped on a spark. He said he accidentally swallowed a spark.
Do you know what actually happened to me? Once I was smart enough to know that a spark wouldn't hurt me, and I touched it with my finger and it went.
It'd have to be a pretty small spark. A big spark might burn.
Yep.
Or
Your
could have
polka
turned to
dots
ash
burn?
at that point.
No.
Did you paint those yourself?
No.
Ivy, did you paint yours?
Somebody spotted her.
I know that.
Hot? Sit. You gotta go like this. I heard one of you guys snoring last night.
That was not me.
No.
And it couldn't have
I
been.
never snore. I swear.
It couldn't have been
You
Will because
snore.
when I woke up, he wasn't snoring.
It must have been you then.
I don't snore.
How do you know?
He was asleep for some of the time. I was awake and he was silent, literally silent, except for the muttering.
Literally silent?
He mutters in his sleep.
Yeah, I heard him muttering.
No.
No! I heard him doing like tapping the window, tapping to go up, tapping to go up. I'm gonna go right now.
Only you do that. Only you do that, Will.
Tapping to go up. You better hide your daughters. You better have your wife. How would you hide
William
everything?
makes up
You could
obnoxious
hide
parodies
people
to
you were
songs.
already in.